So I've got here is a set of mini quick release jets, stainless steel quick releases, the plastic protectors colour coded, 0 degrees red, yellow 15, green 25, white 40, black 65 degrees. Now on that side of it, obviously the most important part is the jet size, so they're the angle size, the spray pattern. Obviously your pressure washer could be a machine that's doing 200 bar 21 litres, so on that side you'd be looking at an 065. We need to know the jet size to make sure we send out the correct items for yourself. You might have a smaller machine, 12 litres, 100 bar, so that is an 05, but obviously you've then got the choice of buying all the colours or the individuals, like 15 degree, yellow, 05. That we need to be stated on the system when you come to purchase via eBay. Thank you much. Qwashers, Qwashers, eBay and YouTube. And like I say, these are all stainless steel mini quick releases. And the jets obviously can be changed over any stage. So if you change your machine, you just change the jet itself, as long as it's colour coded correctly. Thank you much. And the protectors, good solid but soft, not to do any harm to anything as you're using them. Thank you.